quick update on where we are with the application. Some changes that we've made over the last few days. Just wanted to show you those very quickly. This is I'll demo this for you Friday, and hopefully in a little bit more. There's the icon on an iPad. So we've added actually an ITD icon as against the grey one which you saw when you loaded it before. We've also got a splash screen. We can change that, but we've got a splash screen that comes up. The UI's changed as well. We've got the ITD logo in the top left hand corner. We've taken the Web Map Solutions one away, and we've got the title there. That gives us more space for a longer title, so we've taken that out. The reference to us, we've got a little bit in the bottom here which we can alter, but basically we've also changed the way you configure the application. We've made it more configurable, so the icon itself can be changed from the configuration file, the title can be changed from the configuration file, now the header color can be changed, and the footer color can be changed from the configuration file. Again, I'll walk you through that stuff when I see you at the end of the week. If we tap the icon, we actually will bring up the home page, your home page. So we've loaded the application. We've made a few other fixes. What you saw, Bill, about the right hand side, that's now fixed, so we've not got the overlap running off to the side. It takes up a bit more space, this one, because we've got a long title. It's kind of sized into the title, so if we can keep those titles shorter, then we'll try to do that. And in this case we can obviously make some alterations to it. What else did I want to show you? Same kind of things there. These are highlighted blue. This is kind of something funky within the iPad world. It's not in the Android world, but these are selectable or deselectable as the case may be. We may have to make that a bit more obvious. You can see that it goes from dark blue to light blue as you turn things on and off. So anyway, there's that. What else did I want to show you? Oh, I know what I just wanted to show you. Let's go into edit mode, and then let's just select. Where's my pen? Sometimes these points are a little small, so maybe I didn't hit that properly. There, that should do it. There's a little bit of a lag as it loads the data because there's quite a lot of attribute data there. Again, if I got it, probably zooming in would be better. Let's just see. When we get it loaded, let's see. Yeah, I didn't hit it again. Let's just try. It's kind of a small point. There's a certain area that these interfaces gather information from, and this is small, so I'm usually better than this. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it took a minute. It does take a little minute to load. You'll notice that when you actually hit it properly. Again, we can make these icons bigger. That's another piece of conversation we can have. What you will notice is that box that's loaded is smaller than it was before. It used to run off the page. We've actually shrunk that down to try to get over that what was a problem with it flicking around as you pan the map. Now it's less likely to do that. This is also scrollable. It's not particularly obvious that this is scrollable, but it is. So we can actually scroll it there. Again, it's a component that Esri have built that we've tried to modify, and there isn't much we can do to it at the minute. Esri are aware of some of the challenges with this particular component, so we've made some alterations which we hope are going to be, make it usable in the field for the application. Some of that stuff's kind of out of our hands, but we're trying to do the best we can. These drop downs will need to pull out the data. They don't actually work within this component. Again, another issue that we've been talking to Esri about, but we can actually replace these drop downs with text input boxes for now. A key change I wanted to show you was for the attachments. Now, in the Android world and the iPad world are different. Not only do the applications look slightly different, but some of the functional pieces are different. So one of the things we noticed was that in the videos I've shown you before, which were shown in a number of cases on an Android device, by when you hit this button, it actually bring up a list of multimedia elements you could add to the feature. So sound, video, and audio, sound, video, and image files. It didn't work on the iPad. Again, that's not in our hands. That's actually in Adobe's hands, who are the technology we're using is an Adobe technology. So they haven't upgraded their technology, or the next release hopefully we'll have it in, which is probably in the next couple of months, but it didn't work on the iPad. And anyway, we didn't really like the workflow. What we wanted to do was integrate the camera, and that's what we've done. It's not fully integrated, but let me show you the workflow. So you want to attach an image to that particular feature, you'll click that button and the camera will come up. You're looking at the background, you'll take a picture, you'll hit use, and it's going to load. It's slower load on an iPad than on an Android, or on the Android that I've got. And there you have it, you've actually got the picture added. So the workflow here would be, no, I don't want to use that picture, I want to take another one, or yes, I want to attach that picture. So those are the two options. Again, another piece that we're working on is when you tap the picture, it should show the picture. So you've got that ability to say, yeah, that picture is the one I want, and I want to add that, and then you should be able to attach it. So we're still working on that, but that's close to completion. Cancel obviously allows you to start all over again. So there's some new additions to the workflows. Again, we'll do a live demo next week. I'm tempted to send you out a copy of this. Maybe I'll not send a build out to you, because we can talk about whether you want to see sort of ongoing builds as we add things to the application. Your choice there. But for now, I wanted just to show you where we are with things. Again, we'll add some updates to this by Friday, hopefully, and I'll be able to show you some more interesting things in here. So, thanks.